this path of life for so long.
Hello and welcome to this week's edition of Only You Allowed, your chance to see behind the scenes with Only Boys Allowed. And it doesn't get much more behind the scenes than this. This is us on our tour bus. Say hello again, boys. Hello. Another absolutely manic week with lots of really exciting TV that we've been filming. So we've done the X Factor final. We've done This Morning. A bit more excitement than that, please, boys. We've done Sky Christmas Presents. Lots of rehearsing, we've done radio, we've done newspaper stuff, lots of media, so very tired now, so a bit of a care.
7 o'clock, it's too early in the morning to be doing anything. Just getting up to do breakfast now, and as you can tell, I'm not very good at doing mine until it, so I'm just getting late to do it. Well, we've just performed on BBC Breakfast on the day of the album release, you know? It's crazy now that we got this album out, that it's going to be sold worldwide. Let's hope a load of people buy it. And I just heard there's about 4 million people watching today, and to think that's more than the population of Wales, so pretty good.
We are just on our way to London, to Claridge's, the Britain's most expensive hotel. Are they going to let us in? I'm not sure about that.
Hello, we're here in Claridge's Hotel in London and we're about to do a corporate event for ITV. It's pretty amazing. We've been in there to do a sound check now and we've never been anywhere like this before, I don't think. Not quite like this.
Well, there you are, a little bit refreshed on our journey back to Wales from London, from loads of media. Just woke up to say goodbye, thanks for watching, and see you next week.
We wish you a magic Christmas, we wish you a magic Christmas, we wish you a magic Christmas from Only Boys Allowed.